Dok, paano kung may sakit ako at hindi ako makapag-exercise? Nako, may pasyente nga akong 42 years old. Hindi naman obese, pero halos walang physical activity. Isang araw, dinala na kaagad sa ER dahil sa chest pain. Turns out, nagkaroon na siya ng mild heart attack. So that's how inactivity actually sneaks up on you. Myth, kailangan ba ng gym membership? Fact, walking 45 minutes a day can actually cut heart disease risk by 30%. Myth, wala kasi akong oras. Fact, 10 minutes, 3 times a day, is just as effective. Myth, okay na ang active ko naman sa work. Fact, household chores don't equal structured exercises. So here is what you can do. Stand up and stretch every hour. Take stairs instead of elevators. Walk after dinner. You dance. You play with the kids. Tanong, Dok, paano kung may sakit ako at hindi ako makapag-exercise? Meron naman pong mga safe options like chair exercises, some stretching, or light yoga. Dok, paano po kung busy? Meron din naman tinatawag na micro-workouts. 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there, and it all adds up. So don't forget, your body is made to move. Konting galaw araw-araw, malaking protection yan habang buhay.